Obrito yogosemia na gukumenya yago korekana kira rituko nabariki baitu be andrete chinga kichons a sengencho yao eariganie a sobo tengali botali no mubwekano Rucho manu Nairobi Kisii Nyamira nechingongo chinde chense ya Kenya abariki baitu mbaye bakorentera mangana magia asenchira y'ubwikirano emanya mange nabo igobwatira n'Ensoko TV koigeka chingenjo cy'omugusi Ensoko TV uburuso bw'umugusi Tomo chago tengere merobereito yogosemia na gukumanya yago korekana kira rituko nabariki baitu be andrete chinga kichons asen yao eariganie a sobo tengali botali no mubwekano Eye n'Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi umuruburi kubwatya nabo kurigirirwa na kiro muntu
Emambia engia omurigereria bw'Ensoko n'okwegena kwana buna eiki yao nigo yabeire engia rero niritukure Juma omoroberi bwetorobeni chinsani nye chabono mambia toguchigosanga kurbono iga wika chinsa isano nemo chomugaso bw'eritukuria rero una botambe etorobeni nigo tokumurekera ariagendete gwateka ase binyoro anene nonye ni meyense nabo igo chinse chaisko kerabono ngokumanyanga nabo gutubwatia ase mitandao yeito yonsi yekerero Oise kwenda sensemo ya Facebook na bogotonyora buna Ensoko TV na YouTube na bogotonyora buna Ensoko TV kero wachirororo kunyako bago like link yo muroberi yoiga na endo nyarako bago share chi group chiri chinyingorororo erinde tonyako batogosiko gochibosyo na gokina ase obwamo na njira bakonyora buna Linet nyambane kero ngukumanyi buna etorobini ya chakirebene tochiare Abarai ni gobagendete komoa engora omoseneta bwe county ya Kisii omoske Richard Onyonga ase ogosira kwangina ritukore igoro omokonyi bw'omurai bw'ekiama gia Jubilee Fred Matiang'i nigaraete abarai bande kurwa orogongo rwa Busi na kuyetarira enka ya Onyonga yogotoka gaiga ase omochoo Nairobi ensemo ya utawala ase banyaete ko bakwenana engora yabo yabene ase bego banyaete ko bagukwana chinkwana buna egesaku ky'omugusi
Celebrate her life, celebrate the work that she has done in raising you and many others, and the contribution she has made to this society. Pili, I have delivered the condolences and the regards from my colleagues, Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua, Mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka, Mheshimiwa Eugene Wamalwa. And most importantly, as I told you, and I have delivered condolences from retired President Uhuru Kenyatta. And I will always follow the way you guide me. Mondotai say you will never ever be good enough kugambira abantu n'ikisemi cyaye bweka. Abahamura abaminto n'abasubati aba nabutoka ransara barabwegaiga babo Gloria n'ababoli inunga kimoroje. Aherieta ngaibirundu agenda birundu. Na Montebinga Please, let us be decent people. Tuanchane, tusikane, bogambimbo yobokoras forever. Bogocha na ndi bwagenda. Ndobaso kwata na chingoma, osujugo itabantu baminto ngano bogambi boko gara.
Because I am aware of it, the effort you have made and you continue to make to ensure that you, as the leader of the community now, that in our community, irrespective of political views that people have, that we maintain peace, we maintain decorum, and we maintain what yabaka amaskani.
Ndo kwa irelia unariro bali ateba inchungora igo tukworokereri enchireneye ondiorine onye omuntu gambe nseye ogwatura maisa morore mugaso moyo nere nanchi nachorire ayeningu ngayo gukana yani mwairwe gende gisera yani moko yuno ni chisanyi ibere sikulia sanse mwako tema ngamuyo igari igo mogusio yese kwabeta onye nkwana ko ntegerera rero ntegerere nondo manyete ochire ekona gete gendo munyinkurikurwo moiraniga.
So we celebrate her, Mheshimiwa, and we will stand with you during this very difficult time. So pole sana, and we will walk with you during this journey. Nyonka is a good friend. I also lost my uncle because I became a partial orphan mapema kidogo. I lost my dad when I was in school, and we were burying him last year. And I was happy that my leader, Daktari, and Onyonka came all the way to comfort me. So pia tutasimama na wewe.
Tugutigana nayo nigo tokwenda gwika ase county ya Nyamira. Ase county ya Nyamira nigo bono irachikonyora abakoreria abayia ba Public Service Board wika omweri wo mutinyo yoiga ayonkorengana no mugavana bwe county yu Amos Nyarebo chingaki anyore toroboti kurwa ase ekyombe gose kurwa ase committee eri yare kumurekera bari barachikonyora amabagayu asaya kwanete kurwa airit gose kura ase county yu rit kore igoro
rero iga mbwate election committee na appointed meeting bere yaire korigeri ase application chia bantu batete kobe chairman, board member, net secretary ya Public Service Board. Bangera abantu batatu asobo chairman wa Public Service Board abu lichikorigo ntebinchoro yomo. Nande bangera abantu sita as members of Public Service Board na lichikorigo ntebinchoro batano. Bangere abantu babere for the position of secretary and lichikorigo ntebia nchoro yomo. Yonko ba grambi yamono asega asiba korre nkongo ekiara ba applicant na banga ba renge na endanga bosi bare qualified igoto wa point to regional balance kia qualification of course in bank range on interview you bare qualified to regional balance and other special skills. And so we appoint. Your members have now appointed in Kobakiram Biamono as a Gazian Kongumu accordingly, and I trust in you. You Ninko Regazi, recommendation in Muangere, Nanjanko appointment, the Mewich County Assembly for approval. Biamono.
The selection panel was able to shortlist 7 members for the position of chair and 35 for the position of member and 7 for the position of secretary that were to be interviewed and be considered for appointment. And Your Excellency, in line with the requirements of the County Governments Act, Section 58A, We submit to you 3 names for the position of chair, 6 names for the position of member, and 2 names for the position of secretary. And from now, in accordance with the law, is you to be able to consider the names that we've been able to provide, that you can actually be able to select one from among those that we've given for chairperson to be appointed as the chair of the County Public Service Board, 5 of the members to the members of the County Public Service Board, and 1 to be the County Secretary and CEO to the County Public Service Board.
Togusika kurwa ase NCMU omuwaziri bw'oburendi bw'oimeyense Kipchumba Murkomen na boigo omu Inspector General w'abanyanyimbo Douglas Kanja nigo bakorire egeikaro n'ekikurutu kya college ya Kiganjo egaiga ase guseimeyense ase bono banyareko babagukwanira igoro y'oburayi ase boigo banyareko babagukwanira emirimo ebia gusemiremo emia eyo abanyanyimbo banyareko bakwene kichinga kibakurwa oburendi okwana aburi tkore igoro Murkomen na boigo Kanja nigo banyateko bagotogia abanyanyimbo abo ase batebire buna nigo bakore emirimo nabo nigo banyareko bakubairireira nabo baguchikonyora gose nigo baguchikonyora ogusira kurwa ase nsemo ya serikali eri kwene kinga konyora bare obugima borobuya.
5.5 months. They have undertaken rigorous training, and in the remaining period, they will be adequately trained in all aspects of police work, from police professionalism and legal studies to crowd management, skills at arms, field tactics, amongst other training modules. This legal training is intended to equip the recruits with a full range of knowledge, skills, attitude, and character that is necessary to prepare them for the duties and responsibilities of a police officer, which are to serve and protect. As a service, we have ensured that the training curriculum is deliberately designed and refined to meet the demands of the 21st century policing. The aim is to have effective, people-centric and accountable services for the safe and prosperous society. This can only be achieved when officers are well trained so that they can render services confidently and from a point of knowledge. And to the recruits, I take this opportunity once again to commend you for having been recruited to join the National Police Service and for undertaking your training successfully over the last 5.5 months. For the remaining period, I encourage you to continue your training in a focused manner and with great commitment. Do not be carried away by peer pressure or group mentality, which may obscure the fundamental reasons as to why you wanted to become a police officer in the first place. Let me reiterate that discipline is the cornerstone of effective policing and public trust. Proper conduct is vital not only during training but also throughout your entire policing career. Any contrary behavior and character will lead to discontinuation from training and dismissal from the National Police Service. As I conclude, let me commend the Commandant and the college staff, both uniformed and non-uniformed, for their commitment to equipping the recruits with the requisite knowledge, skills, and competencies necessary to transform them into disciplined, professional, and knowledgeable officers. Finally, our CSR. Let me once again thank you for your leadership, guidance, support, for finding time to visit our trainees, as you have done to the other training colleges that the National Police Service manages. We remain committed to providing the highest quality of service and to maintaining public trust through professionalism, accountability, and community engagement. I thank you and may God bless you all.
Let us know that this is not a right It's a privilege. It's not your right to be in the National Police Service. It's a great privilege for you to be in the National Police Service. Just imagine how many you were in Marsabit, in Tana River, in Kisumu, here in Nyeri, in West Pokot, in Trans Nzoia, in Taita Taveta, in that very recruitment center. You were so many, but maybe 2, 3, 5 of you were picked, at most 10, and now you are here. So it should really tell you that you are occupying a space on behalf of so many young people of this country and citizens of this nation. Just always, when you get out of these gates and you graduate, you pass out, just every day of your life, remember that you are the privileged lot that got a chance. Take it with greatest humility, appreciate the opportunity you have, respect the people who gave you that chance, the people of Kenya, and please take this training that you are having here very seriously, because you are among the few privileged Kenyans to be here. 6 months ago, you walked through these gates as civilians. Today, you are officers in the making, disciplined, trained, and on your way to joining one of the most important institutions in our republic. In 3 months, you will graduate and take your place as the next generations of the Kenya Police Service. One of the reasons I came here today is to see you myself and to appreciate what this college is doing, the work it's doing, and I am pleased with what I have seen so far. But I'm also here to look you in the eye and to tell you that your government sees you, your country sees you, and what you are doing matters for us. Kenya, the Kenya you will police is not the Kenya of generation ago. Policing today is harder than it has ever been. And it has been made hard by the threats that are changing, technology that is moving quickly, and criminals who are adapting to the new environment. The men and women we send out to keep order must be ready for a world that does not stand still. It keeps moving. Crime is increasingly sophisticated, borderless, and technology-driven. To respond effectively, policing must evolve, and so must the people who carry out the duties of a police officer. It is for this reason that the government of Kenya, under the leadership of Dr. William Samoei Ruto, who is the Commander-in-Chief of all the defense forces, is committed to continuously supporting the National Police Service in its reform agenda. You are not joining the same service your predecessors inherited. This government has made a deliberate decision to reform, rebuild, and reinvest in the police service, and those reforms are well underway, spanning institutional capacity, operational preparedness, oversight and accountability, and human resource development.
Togotigana nayo ayabwatekaine noborendi togoswa ayabwatekaine nechisemi ase omorai bwense William Ruto n'omuwaziri bw'echisemi emeyense Julius Migosi Ogamba nabaigo ababwatani bande korwa ase sekta y'echisemi bakorire egeikaro ky'ogukwanira amang'ana y'echisemi ase ensemo ya Naivasha ime kaunti ya Nakuru. Gukwana korwa ase enseme iyo omorai bwense nabaigo ababwatani abo b'echisemi nigo bono batebire echisemi chense nigo chibwenerete kokorerwa omokia na ase bono baruro kuboria gochiasa abanasiasa gotiga gochongeria esekte y'echisemi chingaki echecho omuwaziri bw'echisemi Julius Ogamba nigo akire kokomoroberie omoyo CBC asatebire omoroberie uyu nigoro omuya na oise kubwate rukoboko nigo oguchigokonya abaorokigwa ase ekerenga kire igoro mono.
Why are we here? We are here because education is the single most important investment any society or nation can roll out. It's the single most important investment. The development of our human capital is the single most important to a nation. From the position I sit in as president, if there is one very important thing, is to have an educated, informed society. Number two, we are investing close to 700 billion, 28% of our budget. If education was not important, we wouldn't be investing that amount of money. And number three, we have close to, how many million learners, Waziri? 11 million learners, our children, in this space. And therefore, the coming together of these stakeholders, sponsors of schools, managers of schools, education leaders, government, to bring together our ideas, as I said, to refine what is working, to change what is not working, to improve, and to uptake new ideas, is a very central part of the development of education. We've had instances where people take to podia in political rallies, in church meetings, in funerals, in weddings, to say all manner of things about education.
The competency-based education is a skill-based system where everything that the student does accounts for something from day one. The assessment starts from the classroom work that you do, and it accounts for a percentage. So that by the time you're doing an exam, what you have gotten in the process of learning enables you to progress to the next level. Additionally, it identifies the talents, the skills, the interest of the students, so that we do not always insist on having students take programs or take courses that they are not interested in. That's why we introduce the 3 pathways, so that we have STEM, we have social sciences, and we have creative arts. In that way, there is no student who will miss out, and that's why the transition is high, because now we are able to take each and every student to the next level based on what they are able to do. So it's work in progress. We are now on grade 10, we are moving to grade 12, transition to the universities, and then as we continue, because the assessment is doing year in, year out, we will evaluate the whole system at the end of the cycle. We're in the middle of the cycle. We've done 10 years currently. And it is the best system that we have. And the best way to determine that, I encourage you, get out there, talk to the students who are learning in this program, the grade 10 students, the grade 9 students, and you will see a distinct difference between them and the ones who have been doing the 844, where they concentrate too much on just an exam. This country invests 28% of the budget in education. We are already above international standard by 8%, and we are continuing to increase that. The amount that is being paid for the capitation for primary school has moved from 1,020 in the year 2002 to 1,420 in the year 2018 to this July, when we'll be moving it to 2,300 per student. Junior school was introduced in this competency-based education, and we are giving them 14,240. Now, junior school is in the same place with primary school, meaning they share facilities. So in terms of the money that is used for primary school vis-a-vis the money that is being used by junior school with students in the same space. For example, if you're paying a watchman, you're not paying a watchman for junior school and paying another watchman for primary school. You are paying for one person. That means these resources are being utilized, and therefore, In reality, we have increased the amount for primary school substantively.
Your Excellency, I would like to thank you for leading the reforms in higher education and across the whole ecosystem, basic and TVET. You have challenged us, Your Excellency, to think differently, to work differently, so that we can transform the outcomes from the sector. In particular, at the university level, we are working to produce graduates who are more employable graduates with an entrepreneurial spirit. We are working to develop the technologies that will lead us on this road to Singapore. And we already have some very deliberate examples that we will share in due course. Today, the conversation has changed. It is no longer whether the reforms can work. It is about how we can innovate in our different spaces to make this work, to deepen the transformation. And I want to assure you, Your Excellency, that the spirit is collaboration. We are collaborating with private sector across the different sectors of public service, with NGOs and with development partners, and the results will speak for themselves.
The schools that are insisting, for example, for students to pay for trips. A school has 2,000 students. Say each student is paying 15,000 for trips. Does every student in every term go for a trip? Tell me, 2,000 students are going for a trip per term. So let us be realistic about these things, and everybody who is appointed to the BOMs, and we've worked with the members of parliament, they've agreed to support us, so that there is nowhere to run. Once we get you, you can't go to your member of parliament, you can't go to your heads of tribes or whatever to say, you know, we are being targeted. It's not going to happen. So we are going to deal with you because the regulations are there, and we want the media. Before you say this money is not enough, please visit and ask them, let us see the list of what is being supported, so that you help us, because we are all stakeholders. His Excellency has indicated we have 11 million students. If you have two parents, that is another 22 million people, plus 11, each and every household is affected, including those people who are saying we do not have enough money to support the students. So help, and that's why we are working here together, so that we can put our heads together, analyze the situation, and be realistic about what needs to happen.
Your Excellency, allow me to begin by thanking you for finding time from your busy schedule.
Togusika kurwa ase nseme ito kwenda wika ase kaunti ya Laikipia ase omuraibu ense na boigo mokonyo ye Professor Kithure Kindiki ni gobono omuraibu ense abekire rigenario boroso erigo se asacha rigenario boroso ryo kugwacha kwa ensemo ya Huduma Center ensemo ya Daldol ase kaunti ya Laikipia ayo ni gagendete okorekana ase enseme yo ase bonoiga omuraibu ense agendete gukwana nabamenyi benseme ituranyora ri agendete gwatika kurwa ase
mtu wa Arsenali na kunakaa hii wakati tunachukua kikombe. Your Excellency the President, hawa jeshi yote unaona ni wachezaji wa mpira. Your Excellency, tunaomba hapa Doldo tupate stadium ile vijana wetu watatumia ya kucheza mpira na pahali watakuwa wakimalizia. Your Excellency yangu inaishia hapo. Ni tu kukuambia kitu moja, huku mnaniita Naitoshi. Si ndio? Naitoshi. Naitoti. Your Excellency, Naitoti ni kusema yule mama anashibisha watoto wake. Sasa Your Excellency, watoto wangu wamekuwa wengi sana. Tafadhali nishikilie, patia Roko Authority anipatie chakula nishibisha watoto wangu vile wanavyotakikana. Asanteni sana.
Aya, niko na ndugu yangu ambaye ananisaidia pale KRA, chairman wa Kenya Revenue Authority, Bwana Nderitu, awasalimie.
Hamujambo, Murega, Soma, Karam, Mugeni, nisalimieni ya hewa namna hii. Mheshimiwa Rais, kwa sababu viongozi wote wetu wako hapa, mimi siozi ongea sana, unajua mimi ni mtu ya kazi saa hii. Nataka tu nimshukuru Mheshimiwa Rais na munisaidie tumshukuru. Hiyo maji yenye amesema pale ni ile tulikuwa tumejaribu na nyinyi, tukakuja tukafika kiwanja ndege. So kwa hivyo naomba kwa sauti kubwa sana tumshukuru Mheshimiwa Rais kwa kutimiza ahadi za kitambo za serikali kwamba maji itafika wapi? Doldo. Tunakubaliana? Tunakubaliana hivyo? Tunakubaliana hivyo? Doldo oye! Doldo oye! Asanteni sana. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Miwa Mwangi Kihunjuri ambaye ni mbunge wa Laikipia East.
Dodo oe! Hebu nisalimieni kwa mkono nione kama tuko chojo, tuko chojo, tuko chojo, tuko chojo. Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. Hii mahali tumeitembea sana. Na mimi nataka kuhakikishia wewe, hapa sisi tunaishi Kenya mzima. Ukiingia hii maduka hapa, utakuta Wasomali wanauza, Wakikuyu wanauza, Wasaburu wanauza, Wajaruo wanauza, Wameru. Hiyo ni kumaanisha Laikipia ni nchi yetu na tumeishi pamoja sisi wote. Na tunashukuru sana wakati unakuja hapa kutuhakikishia kwamba Laikipia North, Laikipia West, Laikipia East ni sehemu ya Kenya. Kwa sababu Your Excellency, vile umetembea hapa saa hii, watu wanasema hakuna maendeleo inaendekana, hakuna kitu inafanyika, lakini wale walikuweko beleni, hiyo maendeleo hakufikisha hapa. Serikali yako ndiyo imeamua. Na sisi umetuashia kasi kidogo sana. Manake umeamurisha wiki 3 wiki 2 matingatinga ianzishe barabara kutoka Dondo. Mimi Sara Korere, Jane Kagiri, Wachira Karani, tutahakikisha sisi wenyewe ndiye maengineer, ndiye masupervisor, na tuhakikishe watu wasiletwe nje kujenga hii barabara. Barabara ijengwe na watu ya kutoka hapa Mgongondo, wapewe kibarua ya kufanya hiyo kazi. Watoto wetu wamesoma hapa Mgongondo. Tuko na maengineers hapa, wale wako na diploma ya engineering na Karani, kila mtu atolewe hapa, wakuje na wale watu tu hawezi toa hapa. Number 2, Your Excellency, maneno ya Kirimon. Hii Kirimon, sisi hatuna shida na wageni. Lakini mgeni akiingia kwa nyumba, anaomba chakula kwa mwenye nyumba. Siye kugawa chakula yake. Kwa hivyo Kirimon, Your Excellency, tuko na viongozi wetu wa Laikipia, tukae na wale wengine, lakini hiyo Kirimon ni roho ya watu. Tena, lunches zetu zote, Your Excellency, watu watembee polepole. Ni zetu na tuko na kamati zetu ambazo zinaendesha ili tuheshimike na usalama yetu iwe sawa sawa. Kimugandora, Your Excellency. Kimugandora. Nashukuru tumekutembelea mara kama 4 na Sara Korere, Jane na Wachira Karani. Hiyo maneno ya Kimugandora, Your Excellency, tungependa tusikuzume sana. Lakini kama hujaweka kwa bajeti, tuwekee kwa bajeti ijayo, Your Excellency. Ili tuanze maneno na masungumuzo, hawa watu warudishiwe mashamba yao ya Kimugandora. Na mimi mwenyewe nikiwa mheshimiwa hapa Laikipia North, niliwajengea madarasa 2 Kimugandora Primary School. Hiyo ni kumaanisha wako na haki, wamesika watu yao hapo, wamesomeshia watoto wao hapo, dispensary siko hapo, wako na haki ya kuimiliki hiyo ardhi. Ya mwisho, Your Excellency, maneno ya usalama tunazungumzia miaka mingi. Na nashukuru security, manake tumekubaliana NPR wagaiwe kwa haki. Sio NPR kukaa kwa ranches ndani, unakuta 70% ya NPR wako kwa mashamba. Tumesema 70% wakae nje, hiyo wengine wakae ndani. Tumekubaliana Your Excellency, hizi mabarabara zetu turonjeshe, nyorosha hiyo mabarabara, na hiyo ukinyorosha, wachana na mama akuje polepole, wacheni apite polepole. Kama nataka kusalimia rais, wachana naye. Hiyo rais, maneno ya hizi mabarabara ikirainishwa ya ndani, na Mariro na KDF wanaweza tufanyia hiyo kazi, Your Excellency. Tutumie mashini za jeshi. KDF wako hapa, tumo mashini sasa, wanyoroshe mabarabara yetu. Uko ndani ya Mgongondo, wacha KWS waingie, tutume hata polisi wengine huko ndani, lakini lazima utuokoe, Your Excellency. Hii operation ambayo inafanyika iwe ndio ya mwisho, na tuishi kwa amani na usalama. Hatuna mengi, Your Excellency, tutarudi. Na watu ukiona, Your Excellency, ni roho zao ndani. Hapa tuko tutam. Tuko tutam. Hebu toa ndani ya roho, ndani ya roho, ndani ya roho, ndani ya roho, ndani ya roho. Asanteni sana, tutarudi mara ingine, Your Excellency.
Niko na PS wangu. Huyu muungwana anaitwa Patrick Mariro. Mimi niliwaeleza watu wa Laikipia ya kwamba wakati tunapanga mambo yale mengine yote, kuna mashule hapa kwa sababu ya insecurity ilipata matatizo. Kuna mashule kama 15 tayari tumejenga. Nataka nimwambie Bwana Mariro, ile tuko na mashule, nataka uongeze mashule 5 ingine ya watu wa hapa North. Tutafute milioni 60 tuwajengee mashule ingine 5 ya kisasa, ndio watoto wao wapate mahali ya kusoma. Na vile vile ile program ya kutengeneza barabara zile security roads, tukitumia wanajeshi wetu. Wewe ndio PS wangu wa mambo ya wanajeshi ama ya defense. Ufuatilie, uhakikishe ya kwamba hizo security roads zimetengenezwa, ndio tuweke usalama hii Laikipia, ili watu wa hapa waendelee na mambo yao ya kilimo na ufugaji na watoto wao wasome. Aya, wewe sema dakika moja.
Asante sana. Hamjambo, Your Excellency, kwa sababu hapa ni nyumbani Laikipia. Kuna siku nilikuwa natafuta kiti ya governor, saa hii sitafuti. Ukanipatia kiti ya kuwa PS wa defense. Hiyo amri ambao umetoa ya mashule, tayari tumejenga mashule 6, lakini umetoa amri niongeze zingine 5. Next week nitashikana na Mheshimiwa Sara, tukuje tuangalie hizo mashule 5. In 1 week hizo mashule 5 zitaanzishwa. Hiyo timu nyingine ya jeshi ambao inafanya pale Laikipia West, umeamulisha tutafute timu nyingine ikuje hapa Laikipia North ianze kufungua. Kwa hivyo hivi karibuni mtaona matrakta za jeshi zikitengeneza hizo barabara. Asante, Your Excellency.
Gavana wetu Bwana Irungu.
Ndugu yetu, rafiki yetu sana. Mimi kama mzee wa kijiji hii ya Laikipia, nataka kuchukua nafasi kubwa sana kwanza kukushukuru sana na kukukaribisha katika Laikipia, kwa sababu ya wewe umekuja Laikipia. Huu ni wakati wangu wa mara 5 umekuja hapa, na sisi tunataka kukuambia kama vijana wako wa kazi ya kwamba tutafuatilia yale wamesema, kwa sababu ya huduma tuone imemalizika. Mambo ya hii barabara ya kutoka Nanyuki kukuja Dodo tufuatilie, kwa sababu mimi ndio niko hapa mashinani. Na hayo mambo ya maji, rais, tutafuatilia tuone ya kwamba tumeifanya na imefanywa na imekamilika vile inafaa. Na kwa hivyo tunakushukuru sana kwa sababu ya ile kazi unaendelea kutufanyia, na zaidi sana kushagia amani na security katika hii kaunti yetu ya Laikipia. Asanti na Mwenyezi Mungu ambariki. Asante sana rais.
Mzee Kaparo atusalimie.
Your Excellency, Mheshimiwa Rais na watu wetu wa Laikipia North. Mheshimiwa Rais, karibu hapa Doldol. Your Excellency, nataka uone hii tu. Nataka uone hii. Watu wa Doldol, harambe! 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 Your Excellency, wakati tulikutana Matanya kwa harusi, kwa mazishi ya baba ya Kanja, nilikueleza kama kula pahali ambayo Laikipia hii utapata kura haijagauliwa ni hapa Laikipia North. Wewe ni kweli ama si kweli? Kasepa na Mongo. Kasepa na Mongo. Keninyito na meninyito. Jambo la pili nilikuuliza kule Mataja. Ni hii barabara ya Doldol ambayo tunafurahi leo umesema itatengenezwa. Lakini naomba kuongeza, Doldol hii ukiangalia mabati hii ni ile ya ukoloni. Na nilikuja hapa miaka 67 iliyopita kama standard 1. Barabara inakuishia Doldol. Sababu hiyo ndio Doldol imekaa hivyo. Tunaomba hii barabara ya kutoka Doldol kwenda Kipsik na Isiolo ifunguliwe ili hii town isiwe mwisho ya barabara. Mwisho. Mheshimiwa Rais Kimugandura, mimi ndio niliwapeleka hawa watu Kimugandura 1981 before the Kenya Air Force mutiny. Ikifanyika nilikuwa huko. Wale wanafaa sema ni wenyeji, ni wenye shamba hiyo kwa miaka 50 hawajakaribia huko tena. Ile barama unaambiwa it is speculation. Hawa watu hawako. Wale watu wako ni watu wa Laikipia North wa Doldol. Mwisho na kuomba tafadhali Mheshimiwa Rais. Mara mbili tu rais amekuja hapa. Na mara hiyo mbili tunaona mambo mazuri. Mara ya kwanza wakati Kibaki alikuja hapa akatupatia district. Na tulifurahi kwa sababu mbele hiyo watoto wetu wakiwa na bahati wawili tu ama moja ataandikwa na nyuki. Leo wanaandikwa zaidi ya 20 kila mwaka. Tunashukuru huyo marehemu popote alipo. Leo wewe umekuja. Tunaona barabara kwa haki itafanyika. Tunasikia umetuambia na tunaamini megadam tunapata. Na umetuambia na tunaamini utasaidia kuongeza walimu. Mungu atakubariki. Mungu atakubariki. Wale nolo sholai etwae kata legentai nama lejo ai kata wo tumata tungana lankanyit tindiki jentoki enjeko musije mukasema kwa mdomo alafu baadaye mnapinduka. Ashe
mambo yenu
usaidia na wewe uzeeka kama mimi, utajua kwa nini nasahau. Nimesahau moja. Laikipia hii yote imejengwa nyumba zinaitwa affordable housing. Laikipia hii yote. Na tulikuwa tunafikiri hata sisi na hiyo affordable housing tunataka hapa Doldol hii. Asante, Mwenyezi Mungu akubariki.
ardhi nikuje niweke affordable housing hapa. Na mambo yenu ya Kimagandura. Hiyo Kimagandura, hawa viongozi wenu wamenieleza, nimepanga mambo yake, iko kwa budget ya mwezi wa 6, nipange vile ya kulipa hiyo shamba, ndio tumalizane na hawa watu wenu. Hapa niko na viongozi wengine, Saroline. Niko na mrembo hapa anaitwa Saroline. Simama hapo, sema tu jambo, sema jina yako, unaitwa fulani, alafu uteremke chini.
Sana mtukufu rais. Watu wa Doldo oye! Watu wa Doldo oye! Majina ni Saroline Wanjiko. Nashukuru sana rais kwa kuja hapa, kwa sababu tuko na matumaini sasa ya kujua wakati huu Laikipia tutapata elimu bora, Laikipia tutapata barabara bora, Laikipia tutapata matibabu bora, na vijana wetu watapata huduma. Asanteni sana. It's Wanjiko for Wanjiko, Laikipia for Laikipians.
Mama hapo, sema tu jambo, 1 minute.
Asante sana rais wetu, karibu Laikipia North. Watu wa Laikipia North, hoye! Hoye! Karibu sana. Na rais wetu, leo tuko na matumaini mingi sana. Kwa hivyo watu wa Laikipia North, mimi nasimama kiti ya senator, na nashukuru kwa support yenu na support ya president wetu. Asante sana.
Na mwingine anaitwa Messian, na niko na wengine, na niko na huyu mrembo apatiwe. Simama hapo, sema jina yako.
Fire si fire. Kindikidi fire si fire. Watatuona tutam ya William Samoei Ruto. Kwa majina naitwa Mheshimiwa Zamzam Sen, kuzaliwa hapa, mkaaji wa hapa, na nilikuwa kwa serikali ya awamu ya pili ya gavana mchapakazi, gavana Nderitu Moreithi. Mimi nasimama na kiti ya MCA na chama ya UDA, na tunasema nyege ni kunyegezana. Wafugaji lazima tunyegeze William Samoei Ruto. Asanteni sana na Mungu wabariki.
Nimesikia muko na team hapa. Huyu kijana, wewe simama hapo, sema hiyo. Huyu kijana, huyu simama pale. Huyu kijana, enda pale. Aya.
Asante sana rais kwa kutuheshimu na kukuja hapa. Tunasema Laikipia North ni tutam. Vijana wangu wa Doldo FC, bwana rais, kwa heshima yako wanaomba basi ya timu. Sisi huwa tunaenda mpaka Kiambu, tunaenda mpaka Nakuru, tunajilipia, lakini hatuna kitu. Tafadhali tupe basi. Mimi Mgogodo East 2027 rais, niko tayari kufanya kazi na wewe nikiwa MCA pale. Ya mwisho, nimewasikisa wananchi yangu vizuri sana, na nimesikisa wakubwa wetu. Hakika mmetuitishia vitu ya maana. Kwa kweli nilikuwa ninaandika nikijua wakiitisha ni hiyo itaingiana rais. Tunakuheshimu na tunajua basi tumepata. Mgogodo East oye! Mgogodo East oye! Ndani ya serikali tunapanga hesabu ya 2027 iliisha. 2027 iliisha.
Huyu kijana, mpigeni makofi huyu mungwana. Basi wewe boss, nimekusikia mambo yako. Hii timu yako ya football, wacha nitawaachia leo 1500, muendelee mkiendelea. Alafu nitawapanga hapo mbele. Tumeelewana? Watu wa Laikipia tumeelewana? Mnasema tuendelee ama tuendelee? Hebu nione tutam ya watu wa Laikipia. Basi asanteni sana. Mimi nawapenda sana. Mwenyezi Mungu awabariki. I love you the great people of Mugo hapa Doldo na watu wa Laikipia kwa ujumla. Thank you very much.
Eye Nensoko TV. Uboroso bumugusi. Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ughaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721511500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
My name is Albert Omariba. I'm the principal of Kitwebe Technical Training Institute. Kitwebe Technical Training Institute is a government institution situated in Nyamira County. We admit our students as from Standard 8 to Form 4 across all departments. Our students receive help and capitation from the government, therefore there is no worry of the fee payment. And our students pass very well in all departments and we are able to achieve 90% pass.
Ni kweli Kitwebe Technical Training Institute ni chuo ambacho kimebobea na kinatoa mafunzo katika kiwango cha diploma, certificate na artisan katika kozi zifuatazo: Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Building and Civil Engineering, Fashion Design, Cosmetology, ICT, Business Management, Water Technology, Hairdressing and Beauty Therapy, Social Work and Community Development, Plumbing, Welding, kati ya nyinginezo.
We are having a May intake 1-1. We have 8 departments and we have the Center of Excellence in Fashion and Design. We are actually the best in this region. This region means Nyanza and Western. So we are welcoming students who can seek admission to undertake courses and training in our various departments. So welcome to this community and learn, get the skills, and then from there you can be self-employed or you can seek for employment. Thank you.
Vile tuna short courses za computer packages na German language. Kitwebe Technical Training Institute. Skills for self-reliance. Magega ya televishoni ya Nsoko gwikasiro yao kwa nyori baga ligi yaliyokuralia asegete sena mbeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokuralia gukwenyuria ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono na bokonyori baga ya bene liyokuralia asegete senieke asoliguri liyake musani tokere gose twakere simigwetire namba to yobonchuria 0788666662.
Murigereri bwa Nsoko TV oyo no moroberio gwokongoria mareko na inje mwana mboka Edwin Yang'au turabe tukumira na kira litu kurie iki guchakira chinsa 10 ya machamogoroba wikenseyemo ya botuko kugwakorire emirimo yawe yerituko kwabukire orosete uikaransitero ya ubwo yandaje asekerugo orambulete emirundo kunyagusibero ngori na hali ase screen ne chingero chikoletwa na Mwanambuka Edwin Nyang'au ano to konyora chingero chionsi echiegita na chobenga kwa nubukano echiembegetere ndo gesongengo to amereria
Bakalia omoto yakabwatwa obe bakalia omoto yakabwatwa amatukemero ngena gaika kabwatwa
ine asama kiaya mbireo seino mbireo asama tuko maega obugima bwakira litko bwomogusi nigo bwale gosirwa nomulimi likomera liburga lisamora byonsi asekerenga yokobeka ase ekiage ekemo ningi keire libaga likiage asenka yomogusi nobonchereria noborokia nobonyanyimbo gose nobwagachi somoroberio wikiage kyomogusi nobe gokomerana na inche Frida Kerbo kera litkoria ijuma chinsa ibere chamugoroba astogo sanga nomugusi kurwa chingongo elio kumanya naki bakonyorera engere yabo ya kera litko tomocha
Mukabora ingerango oyetigosori yabarire.
We've never seen anybody win 3 in a row.
Ona omwancha omurigereria ayabune motitire bwetigosori ao nobe na kirengencho yokogokera.
Goal! Absolutely astonishing. What about that from Gareth Bale?
Igeteseni kia Ogien Soko TV. Ibono nge guchunchugere kokwariganiria na kokwerera chigosori ao obwekeranu. Tomocha kubwata etariki inainche Daniel Omwaga gose kwancha nabo okontona Erieta Suarez amagoriwe begi iyokoryo keraritko oliye chimamosi igochakera egetone gichinze sano na isato chiamogaso goika 10 chamaragoba ase omuroberi ibwe achigosori amona abanyangongo ase na kumanyana gokorosera ayatekire ase chigosori
and he's awarded a penalty.
Ebagotebango gose komwelio nero gose kabya Maiga yokonyora mangana mange korwa segete senikia usigetegia Soko TV bonigo ya ikirenga kingo koleta nganya sai nigonda koletero murobili kurkunga amegelio yebebelia murobili nigonda olete amuna basomba banya sai abu astra ko batukwegera lingana sobwagale nantalia yoka nonyora matera noena masabo noboroli ntunyale koba tokurwa ayankira lituko liye sabato liye abande bagotabanga Jumamosi abande batabanga Saturday chinsa 12 chamambya ugweka chinsa ibere tomocha gekora ncho muri ngaga nabasomba banyesaye ntokoletere umurubiri bweleso seseni
Maumifunga bwato moyo nyigwete ngatindi monto jere yenkaro mororo asamalieta bakondo kama Taifa 254 indime ya Soko TV oboroso bomugusi
Rumba music.
ase miziki yabagaka eli abantu bakonga kongire chinengo chacha kiri kuchoga choga ya rumba
Momelia kenena poto akele koyekola mama
naboigo ntokwe babasai aba bakurwa jijenzi emisiki yakogenda bwange bwate chia talaku
le général Dangote anaweka oye mose kunambi Ricardo Momo oye mama Dangote
Netaliane Edwin Nyang'au Edwin Mwanambuka Nzube ya Bololo tumerane kila litukulia Jumamosi kati ya saa 10 weka ensa AM
Omokubio neritko abaigenwa kurwa chikansa bakumirana na komotogia omonene gwitira amatera amansu ibibungo na boigo amarandia imegata seni Gen Soko TV tuchikumirana ikeraritko ria Jumapili jakira chinsa 12 cha mambia wika chinsa inye zinyare komotogia munguru na boigo komoterera nanche Diana Ndemo imegata seni Gen Soko TV.
Mungu amefanya ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi. Ni Mungu ametenda, ni Mungu ametenda, sio mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, ni Mungu amefanya, hivi nilivyo mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi.
Eye Nensoko TV Uboroso Bumugusi.
Biamono kigima umurigire bwenso kekeronde no kwegena ni gore meyo moroberi kigima ekerto gendete konyora aria gendete gwateka nabono twasaire asensemo ya kabere yo moroberi bwetorobini buna botambe asensemo ya kabere ni gotuguchi twasanga aria gendete gokorekana imeyense astoguchi twanyora amogani oyugo cha twanyara kobatugwo kwanera nabo gugusanga ibirengereri anenerero tuguchi kumurekera riberera ria siasa eririgendete kwenekigwa imeyense aya ni gagocha ekero abake Kenya boiga barai pero bereti asobochori obonene bore bosio karorit koria rero mogani totarionde ngogani agokwani oigwere koru asore tinaretinga Papa John mbakunareta se screen
njembana ledi
lakini ngwegubare innocent yokunyagota abango mo producer yeto John Kibati
okay kurma gana na very screen lakini ma
Soko
TV na hanya koro ngorioka arokanete lilitwa akora ji promo ya December na lilio bulioka
igaba no murigerero nyakonye gukumeti John Kibati nero riyo kwegu innocent na Diana baguchi bakwana kere Soko bwakire John Kibati tarionde abakorekana iga na bakweroka monyonke
ya mukwanibia
kwani murigereria arende musogeri tumako genderera sensemo yo moro
umwanchu murigereria bu television ya Soko TV ni mahete abiri mitinye mengange 567 nje ne producer ya TV nonkobera gaiga Soko TV mirubiri nge yonsi na ngo produce lakini yoyo inde specific boniga ne Soko bwakire na Sunday mambia no rongo produce na producer kindena yabo Zaki yabo Joshua yabo Felista Barnabas na yabo Toldi bonsi yabo ineregasi chembatenete gaiga dotikarende gasi ni nyingi tokora mahedekero ure TV taigento kemuyo kokora ibintu nebingo kokora
una njemba nareteta isikali na ande bacha bandura gaiga
ande bakorora gaiga
mbia mono rero John ekero tukumurekera ari berera ria gisiasa rira nyare ko bari kweneki go imeyense in fact nyore juice moisonde tu turachakire ngwana ya Rigathi Gachagua eyo anyarete ko bagagotebanga abantu mbarororo batagete kubaturbanania barabuna abarai bari bakwamiriria serikali erinde bachikonyara ko babagweta anda gatebanga abantu mbaro bagutumika ne serikali bachiguturbania opposition ase ngwane ya rekanete nge kuraga oyo kabero muri kibwe kyama gya Jubilee nyore ora narorekane to okunyagukwana kwana matuka maega lakini Rigathi nakwanete nga intunta yali torenye to kwinyora matiangi inki nkwane ye koro kya opposition
akero to kwanira mangana yo opposition ikuikira boni ga mbagendrete igo bachagirete na United Opposition lakini kara baika segete bakaroranga mbabone tukutumigirite United Opposition bakarigirie dalikaru kwa bekeruka alternative government nonya nabo nabo kuri nakira abantu ambabwate ji character cyabo kiri umuntu nari njirare na ndoro kibono cinga kibune cinga gotebe kubale naki bato umuntu yomo uyo gukikobanga nere flag bearer kurwa se alternative government ugukogendere na William Ruto omuske William Ruto asobo choli bogoja nonya nabo abantu ntokagirete gusa abantu mbakagirete na ogwate kana nkorororo na ndi yabere gekorora kanone kero bare gochamo kiro muntu nabate igo yae to tukwanere uyu kabero mukonyi bo murai bwense muskeri gatigashagwa nabate igo yae nabate chinamba chae na ndo maite ntu guchiko bareta amo nechi namba bantu mbare ngobwate support ubwate na kiere na indi mirimo kigwa korere kurumaiga to siko gende senchire yo abantu bande mbare baguchiko beikwisiko nonya nabo wekira boniga egesaku kia aba sigisto tebe gusana bakalenjin na abaikoyo ba iriro burayi cintunde yange Jones barari ukomende miaka yabo nabo bago cyane 60
nabuka baraire torateba
kwarorire bono abantu mbale sense ya Kenya bayigwete naki angura inde kabirinde nero yakoragi ya acha elinde eire libagerio torusi ari to kore monotoni eyo bono ebirengera limbiro hororo ekiera matiangi naro Kalonzo Musyoka nalo naroro natembea naro ntobwate Eugene Wamalo boss bimbaroro batakire osenkobori barekero gekyo nonya nabo wiki yengaite ya hetete nalio uyokoro kwa Kioni Jeremiah Kioni oyuboni gore deputy party leader asikia magia Jubilee nagende redia emekoro kwa radio generation no wakwanete nga asikineka gendrete kyariga digashagwa gwikira boniga gasaga bugionchoranire boire paka gwikira gotebanga tatage dibono kwera ni gwa serikali nigatagita kanwe benefits chaye naenda hagatebanga ise konyarekana rigati gashagwa heguribaga na bakurwanirira ekirugo cy'uburayi bwense ekiagara murayonde bwense pi orusiwe asekero asiabisi wekaire miaka ikomiziko amawuti ko boliki oborai asekero ki abisi ya serikali urigere Mike Sonko na rusitwe ige miaka yaye kawira Mwangaza wekakore ikome Ferdinand Waititunere na rusitwe igo ikaba kore ikomi amawuti ko so lakini ese ekinekire gadi singi tokegendrete ono nabukiro muntawe na speculate naki ande yake ekineke kese ko bana kia butokire oseba mwancheire airane ase ase active politics ase koboria naboko nyoranga yanyarikanire abantu mbali barabe kwisiko ngiye ko yaratebeteigo oskorigereria ekiamagia Jubilee ase bono nakiye komina nebigoti gose biebo mna bagatebeke gusi nekiamagia DCP ase omulima bagoroka bono na uyo gusuguma gosoyo bwati tokoboko omweshimiwa Fred Matiang'i no murayo mukoro gwense ya Kenya mweshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta kwaroriro bono ngiye ko Jeremiah Kioni akwanego igego tebekananga ande yake chikura chiri nyinge kirarwe asensemo yomulima nigo kirase kogenda na DCP kira gwikaboni gusukurigire DCP ngira igorake kubwa Jubilee
nanda utararo nseseme ya Jeremiah Kioni Jeremiah bwekana tebetenga irigade tari muntu urakorere cheche sai ne na strategy yae ne kiama keri okioniri asege kekeke ko obuire bya mebi are ngororo naenda agakwana the same Jeremiah agatebanga ebintu mbire nini ekiameke Linda Mwananchi yakorire akina Sifuna eyunaende yabe ekoro kinga siasa iga alternative government bado nera ese ngincho barabo ari kwando bare strategy aba bagatebire nka Matiang'i ngusi yokuruga ndo bwate kisi nae korende rigiji yando bwate western yagando bwate central nae Kalonzo bwata nini ukambani lakini yokuruga strategy yabo Sifuna bachire asetaringa barabumba bwatinga onyankisumu abako gendororo ari yani bakorire impossible ririgari ase ebyame bitaragenda na ande bya attraction musangirikano buno yobo Sifuna nakwanete bado nga strategy yabo Sifuna bado ni pigo pia kwa nini alternative
lakini nonya nabo nonyo tebeteigo maite abakenya nabantu basomire mbamanye tingi baokora tusikurigere bono tubeke practical example tobekeiga Rigati Gachagua ntumo maete no mukonyi bumurai bwense obeire omubunga sentunde yemo taibo ntumaite nkia kolire ekranyore toburai emyaka ibere taibo nekrari ngomo bunge ntumaite nkia kalende Kalonzo Musyoka obeire omurai ase serikali yeye goika kobo mukonyi bumurai bwense ase serikali ya Mwai Kibaki ase gika myaka 5 lakini obeire omurai goika myaka 40 ntumaite nkia kora na ngia tarakora kwarorire ndoma to muntu kurukwa natembea ndoma itegera renge regional commission kiakorete ko bwateka namangana yukurwania abo boigu boria usikatol wrestling
na baiga na rwari temo ne nyamonyaruka sana
yes usukurigire Matiang'i nduma tenki akorete kiraringe wizara ya ICT akaba na bete wizara ya Chindemero na bete wizara ya Gisemi na bete se wizara y'uburendi bwaime warore nduma ite Eugene Wamalwa na bete muwaziri bwa mache nduma ite Kirumondo tusiko ndenjire yo eliko gwete Matiang'i akaba tena tutumike scientifically kira Matiang'i na manyetenga na abwata basae bali bagerete bakamuburi arue asenseri arenge ya America ase okore mirimo yebenki elindacha namanyetenga nabwate nambasi aroro kiro muntu tusoko endaga tubeke record ya yegana enkwane yigire maki oni akwanete ndochi na nante gotokonya tego cha komokonya osito cha kokonya rigati osukuri rigati mbali bagoteba kero gotegerera bana siasa bangi mbali bagoteba nga rigati bono takoba morayum ya bwense na chigochorwa inki igago tukoira libagari nyinge kurwania gisegi osukuri none serikali ya bono yumuski William Ruto ngoteba balena umuchandororo no linga umuraibu ensuire libagari nyinge kunya koiraneria kunya kurwania umurayo mukoro n'abantu bari bakorete gasiya serikali yaye kubwa gokoraki gukora imirimo kwarorire bono tusukubwati ibintu bunebyo chingwana munejyo Jeremaki oni akwanete ande akenjigo tokonya
lakini ajoni na ekero tore ya senza mekero ndo chichinta nacho chigenda ko minyoka still umaete as a good leader no weikobo muntu gutegerera chinsa mochonse engaki yu baba saye bakurangiri Matiang'i onyore mulengo yobo sifuna tore ngororo ewevo yabo sifuna bado na abasaye banyebwate saye abasaye mbarororo ngote okore mikutano yae na bagote sisi ndio sifuna toro chine bwate impact
ne bwate lakini umaete bone no DM sifuna no DM babu no DM Caleb se bonsi yabo Orengo bado igoba chiete bakarusia gendo kalira ira bwate kinamba jiri chiaraira na chiba chionchoranete chikababone chiabo korori ne banga murengo otore ngororo igoba chiete bakabuli kinamba chiaraira
bakaendeleze nyinge
na ndo nyoriga abantu bali abange bari ngororo aso DM bageke tibuna ingiye kogero nyagosira Raila Odinga achite kubwatana no muraibu enso bono bali bageke tiwe na bwaba bono bairanire asengo asesifuna na babo babu Owino ande akembaroro na inde bande batagitubu sae asibabo babu na sifuna ekionge chikorete ngana lakini na ekero sifuna ringegete seni ekemo gia standard na kwanete iga abantu mbere bagote banonye taisifuna olese ballot ndogo jugwaka kura akabakani genteke
ndogo igondra
konya it's not about sifuna korore igokere ekera bono skuli liso murengo oli so kata sifuna na sifuna batagete babuke bagendi mbaro
yabo twagirina kipapa choni sifuna na bwate impact aise gote abanga bono tigatosire onye tigatosire onye no alternative na bwata abantu baramotegere tosire na ende gote nga tigatosire serikali yiga aise gote badati na enda akwa ne reason as to why arorenga naki ni insire serikali because sifuna bwe kango tebarenga nono mukata bori na rosa ineti na mai tengi kiari kire ekigetara akora ki getara igona na bwato munso bado ngabantu mbaroro baragende na sifuna
akinike maene hutatika buna alternative government bwato muchando ko chora ningo ujikobe flag bearer kobo kurwaniro buraibuense sifuna na ne timu yaye mbabwato muchando gochigotebya abantu ningo baguchigo support ikira sifuna tarate bango buli aro buraibuense
abantu
banya ko matebi so na
kurumaria kuimoka abolire
na karaigwa kurumaria party leader mu yuyubwera lilio kuruku James Orengo na very senior egati Orengo na sifuna ningo bwate experience yekenene Orengo uyuro mugaba na usiaya we county ya Siaya na rakasigi kande ka chakire gwo komete iliyo kiri achakire kurwo inki sifuna nero rokane to kobo mustari obusio asensemelia ya Linda Mwananchi taibo lakini party leader ndo sokire kurwo ense mogo teba nero kurwo James Orengo bono igati aba babere ningo urachi kubuli uburai kurwo ense melia urai bwense onye bago jikoboli warone igaga segi nkaro as much as United go setura table alternative government mbabwate mu cyando bugo jikochora ningo abari na baromba bwate n'abantu mbari mali na barobo na yabo kibagendi yabe ngoko yabo barongo yabo museneta Onyunka bonsi pakomo mo seneta bwe county ya Nyamira bonsi nko bararole ase group yali taibo mbankerane bachiko support omuntu go sensifuna ule ase Linda Mwananchi batige Matiang'i igasi neroro
alafu kaba sugu kwanira kero tugendete kumurekera obututukana gusiriberia bagiria ge siasa weekend igantu aroche ODM ekuruka Linda Ground barenge chinsemo cha Mombasa.
Oh yes.
Karamo mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Simbarati. Bago tebanga asiikire kujeni inchu tuikaranse tukwanirana abono babo sifuna gotebia taribu ya tugawane kiama ni inchu tukwanirana ama tukamage gwinyore the same people mbatebetengana ki onye tukubwati nginyore Gladys Wanga agatebanga onde bwenzi utari kubwati ari chikorie kiama na ari free gosoka nadi na bago kore kwenda kurusibo bakarusi sifuna unyore nga ndio nakuleta vizuri mbaruseti sifuna kwa ba secretary general yekiama
good
lakini koti yakataba bado bagambe asekiama
ne parties tribunal nere ya unjure
ne wono bagasinyu komorusi ritukoriri babwate kwerende NDC bagataba ekeroke bado matensifuna ororo unyore kanya batebire musubati uri nerore intenenera bado niza acting no bono igana bagoteba acting mbanya goteba ngane
na fully
what impact kiamekia kigodiam gosena kiro cho murindo yora sekia magodiam
bono ODM ikire ibere tutebe
lakini yende yangere
kwa bono tukwanere hinde
yabo Simba
ya Oburu goika enkwana bare gokwana goika chinga kisifuna na babu wino bajete Kisumu ne ngao nekera bajete Kisumu bakaruo chingwana bagukwana ne chinga na chiejo jiji tukoirera ke bakaenda Mombasa kera bajete Mombasa mbaumere nete no mugabana oyo kabiro mugabana bwe county ya Mombasa musike Ali Hassan Jo abo igoro mu waziri ya serikali ya bono ye kwende wizara ya mining mbaumere ne tali abantu batari bake ko kwareke mahene goikaboniga Honeri newspaper ya lero ya Nation, I think Standard na Taifa. Gwe kuburi nga yo buruali. To chinguru abasaba bwate abo babu yabo sifuna. Ekerundo bakominyokera. Osokolire ne timu eliende umugabana bwe county ya Homa Bay, Musubati Wanga, umuske Simbarati, umugabana Abdul Nasir Swamad. Mombasa. Ekerundo bago chiera yabo buru to kerengani nabasayaba basaba bachire bwango na inde usikolire ODM ya Raila Odinga mbantu kia bange bare ko gende mesangerekano
babu sifuna
nabo bare ko support Raila Odinga tayo nabo bange bare kwa boniga energy Raila Odinga abwate ekero kolire chinse mechibere nkonyere rore asabonge kera se yabo sifuna isn't it bono maega ya bara bukwenda Kisumu bakamanya ko bogoli bono energy ya Raila ekabasi bali abedu ni sifuna abo umucyando rore kalire coherence emo ya Oburu bono gatari kororokana tararokana goteba bali nabandi no ruale terakini ekingira ba established so tararokana
mesanga
ya rore kanire kwenda ngora na inde inga kwanyoranga musangirekano bekirwe na Gladys Wanga akego ari kwanyora musangirekano bekirwe na Mheshimiwa Oburu enda akego kwanyora musangirekano no bekirwe na abojo kurware kuru Mombasa bono who is who ningo bonde to kwana boniga egento gese okonyora muske Simbarati obekire lirube onyore olio Mombasa obekire lirube Gladys Wanga obekire lirube who is who no DML ehokoranga disorder nera sensemeli amoino kubwiye yabasayaba yes
abo soko kwana unyore mbaruseti Godfrey Osose na rurenge nere nine na party
na bwate arenge deputy party leader
ugatato bakamurusia impact ke batu cha sabaru abaruya omungunya gote abarenga ODM bono yatigaire yabagere ntu twasokire ne kioro chegendeke
ODM ya chenchiri na ndo maete abantu bali balinga ODM korukaremba maete nga chinkurura ira bwate guikira boni kana nabasaba twate babo sifuna barachikera ikera Raila agajete kurumaya gocha aba isonde bachagite ndi mbaze mbaike basigete bachake kurwana toro ikera ese myaka 20 eliyo kyama ODM kyabeiro ebintu ne binge gya itiregatia ebyo bire okugwe chikura ndi batenena bagwa chikure chi 2007 lakini gyatenena 12 2013 ndi gyabo
kiagwa lakini kibwata baraya bange umaite no bari kubuwechi bwacho borai bwense lakini abajumbe barabange aba MC barabange
bono test of time nereyo boni gase osikuligiria nsemo ya Western Kenya toteba so muntu nyibwate boni gabantu banyibwate mbabere naro tawe movement na Edwin Sifuna osikuligiria semiku tusokogenda if emekutaniriye kubeko is anything to go by abo babe na baro kaniri gutwara emisangirikane menge naro mugabana Fernandes Barasa gakubeke emekutanaria misangirikano bagukwana linda samangano DM lakini okoranga telinguru karora umwaziri wa cooperative muske oparanya nerega kubeke musangirikane ko tabanga twabere tu support udi mu myake menge na indu tagete tonyore kengese geito bado naro nabokoranga nkurunchi abasaba asiba ikiribono yaro kanero DM yabasaye ne ODM yabantu bali myaka ya chirake lakini abasaba ikirundo nikigoro pakwenda mbwango bali
ayaza korra kwao ODM eneche iranirane wasengenje bano bari bangere ko barangiri
gatebeka nerenga ekyamagire kya sokiyo kuru kwa Renaissance Party something
nokemaide
chinkuma
ngukwana kirine cyabo
sifuna gatebeka nakakirena ne kyabo sifuna na lakini igotebeka
sifuna yaretara arakanete takemanyete
igwaye nabole tugase TV ya
magakana
ngotebeka nakire igokire Karoli Omondi
Karoli Omondi
egera ringi gukora interview na ndebete na chibese chiaye chiria aimukirie kiama kia ODM ne chinyinge sana na inde secretary gusoma rindi ayena bora nyore muri ritara manya lakini ngotebeka nakiringa ne role maega ya kerokyo na inde igo bakibegitega kinye kumanyikana mapema
ebintu bigo samba bwate isaiga
banyore sibakogenda so muchando no roso ODM na inde ODM Raila Olinge ikiara kurugurira chinse mucho muno muraria kurugurira chinse mucho ebintu mbiro mugakori ara gukora ebyabasa batakore ikiagara boniga interest really interest ye echamanga yeberete ase grupu yabo gwanka ne yabo sifuna nabokoranga abasaya aba mbabwate kirundo tari inko barwanira nesinge barabasaya aibwe ko munyanirigere
alafu gabu wekerto gendete gukwana naendo bututuka numbaroro rensemo yobo chori bubwa Olkalao nyoromo umujumbe wenseme yinasira DCP netene netyo monto Jubilee netene netyo monto
mubungo lyolengo alengo Jubilee
oyo Jubilee bagote mubungo no yo itu naende kia obrairororo fo nini entunde eri nambu yakorete gasikagira abantu bakamoirani wano mubungo yo itu sirire Jubilee arengororo Jubilee karegote yaregote byama inambia DCP babatigiriri bagerio babakoreki babasire lakini wise kurigererie ground igashagwa tarate bagusengo sirare Jubilee gashagwa nera tebete bakengoli tara declare nando nyore chi campaign sai chitachete ground ne cha DCP nseme ya Olkalao na kia aurora kwa
goikira bono ebirogo rigati tara mweshimi o rigati gashagwa asekema kia DCP tara rorekana koba kubwata chinguru kubwekero go rendekere decisive kera no nyoro bacho lubwa ete na habwetu na UDA noroje ikirwo kiria lyo kukebua
lakini bagote bambware ngefea
as much as toligererie engoli moino toligererie engoli
toligererie amachibu
engoli ko moino ngoigeto UDA isn't it so ekero gote banga taringi maya that is a ekinige tukera contest we ase ekoti muna kigendrete kera ni maite kinangere kotini boniga omushimi wari gati ategete koranga ande akorusirie kiama kia Jubilee araropi none kero gego chakaliri gichagete kunya gukini guga bagota matiangi nero go chaba chake kugora chiobisi ta gogete na ndeti abantu ne kiama ne kemo DCP kiroro kwaro kiro muntu nkwirwane rari gwikira boniga tra win decisively nonya nabo kwara ro mugabana nare oteba na tagi chukurwane rari kiama nikiakoro kwa awi wa basha elitali achire uyu wa basha oyo renge agatebanga tagi chukurwanirira entunde ya kabere gavana ya Muranga
irungu
kangata agatebanga tagi chukurwanirira entunde ya kabere gwetire kiama kia UDA meaning alia indeed vantumbale on opposition
it is either Jubilee or DCP
depending bona se Jubilee nkubwatire guchimutungi gojikoba
lakini
irungu kangata tatebeti
nkiamaki
directly nkiamaki ekiagera nona aliboniga the moment yago kwana na DCP esegirie kohegwa gachagwa nere kwere ni wa arai asari naende manyo mugavana nategemete binte binge serikali enene elia manyo kora development
Lakini serikali
so twangira na sobo chori kwambole obo chori bolia mbubwato mochando egati ya Jubilee na DCP asengenjo
abu no gwata na kura chakire
na atagete kwaro kingano mutindi ali boniga we are yet to see Matiang'i ande go campaign orobia kabisa murayo mukoro bwense natakire ko bakira kati batiko mukani ngata active in politics abako bagende kurwanire kirogeki kwa udi na uvumba agira bakire ni arai ase Jubilee
akere togendete kabu papa Jonita utotarasuka ake lakini asokorora kwao gashagwa tari gwetoma kubwaba ekobwekia meki omete akero muntu gwetoma mago tebunga step down nabona ona yorara ng'abantu aba bandorera sai nturarora Jubilee ke wesoki buna gashagwa wesoki tera ikansa emecho ekore chikambena buna ichigendrete gokorwa nsemeine kiama gya DCP na kioraga ni bono ngotigere nandi ninjende ground toreika ground nandi bamaite ke maine nga UDA na ero si mchezo
ejunere challenge nene yarolekanira ase kiama gya Jubilee lakini ndo inyorenga ali nsobo Rigadi na ndo nyore Matiang'i mbona asoete ase kwerende ikara Matiang'i on Jubilee mbono kiaboge tigwe neke maene gwatebirenga tingo kolega ase nyingo mari gotebango tigere lakini na ndo nyore SMO ya tikule jichi aerete Matiang'i amine Rigadi na korete segie nene sana mbere lakini yo mwali oye
lakini bandu baroche effort
yes ni yabike tuororo mate mbosa togende ne tactical tu atungete mbere
lakini the same tugatura utabeke mana no the same effort Rigadi abegete ekagera omora amokonyi bomora bwense taru etinseri esengicho na maete ngoira na Nairobi nkorara ebintongo change bire ngote no manyete nera agakora omukimono akamenyororo bakari tukori obochori
we are yet to see ngiye magya Jubilee yo chokoro na ni ndrara bago campaign biya korore mbono bagende tukugora no ni chiwa chiago all over the country kwa ringi bagende tokora igo ine challenge yanene era sikia magya Jubilee bagende ground bomerane n'abantu elio banyarko bakonomies otherwise muna Rigadi ondeta konete komate it's democratic na kobate kiama ndengete tesa machi konsiata kire so I ground okoreki ominane na basaja bande it's the very democratic unless by one and lakini ekingi yo korokia onye Jubilee mbago jikoigwana na DCP kobeko monto yobo ekira the moment bakoenda babirega UDA ngo basibie ekio korokina no ni iguru gaiga alternative government kuchiko choro monto ulio kuchikote ne kobe flag bearer muchando manene kuchiko bororo yes
bia alafu akeretoke ndete gukwanira gabwe kerane biro na biro bindo chibigendete kuminyoka sana ngwa kwanira igoro mo governor uyu iga irungu kangata goteba tari guchukurwanira akerogekyo asentunda yende ne kiama gya UDA ritkore igoro na igweto mo governor Kiambu wa Matangi Kimani wa Matangi ogoteba nga togo asebano ne gasingokora
yes
togo ikenga kiyobochori ninchenche monte binkia makimutagete mborerio borai esigi ne yuna kyo konye toma guchese kiama kya UDA onyore no morayo no achore ne kiama kya UDA abuna bagavana babere kuruchiki county cha Central roche oyega takwane terenga tari kuburwana na UDA atetenga togo ikenga kiyeyu ingocha gocha se more monte inkiama ki mbwanete gutenena na kerokyo no rio ndene nate ere na kandete gutenena na kiama ekyo ono kiriara amwe gosikiria bananchi baramotena kiara esigi ne ina kiabanete kogenda gosena ki UDA ko receive
omanyete aseboniga wikomutinyo kabiro mwako gocha nario mitinyi tano muguchia sobochori ebunge ebunwe bono kiro montabe free akole mtu biaye narito to kumanyana ninki lakini wekira boniga there is a clear indication inga ki bantu mbali ase UDA muchando norororona ikiame kyongera akora na indiriga tiokore sienene twancha ekaro muno morali karo kurire chinse machonsi yani analytically otali kobekero onde magoso gusotali komo chionde rigati okore sienene yo gotema gotebia abantu nga egento kiagerete turusirie nyama munwa na singi tutabwate ki ekiama giaito boniga twarosirie kiama giaito yokurugu DCP
nandi kia piki
nandi kia behire naindi onye vago jugotwara kinguru ase serikali gocha onye alternative government ge chukubwa ko ikababe abange se kiama kiriki ya DCP gose baonjorerie bagende kiama kira bado Jubilee mahokabo kire kero muraibu kiama giningo mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta depending na kibago chukokora ji campaign nerego chuko udetermine na ki Jubilee bagosoa gose DCP bagosoa kororio so bo aseboni garo umuchando noro ase UDA asoro ensemo ya Mount Kenya. Yeah.
Mbia kigima nende karato gende tukwanira gabo narora nona aba omutando gaiga abantu bagotenga Jubilee ngiri guchikwira burai. The reason nga history ya Kenya. Kiama ngianya kuirorera burai. Ngo ntobona to chenje kiamekyo onye ne flag beara taru Jubilee kiare ngo burai goro na kege perception yoranyere.
Onye bagoteba igo. Nimbonete ko gunki bagoteba. Ekiagera ase Kenya konye William Ruto atracha mokonyi bwo murai bwense tayore ngororo muno murai yo bwense akuruo mokonyi yabe president onde tarengo bak gwikinga kia Ruto nero se record kero kingi bago teba gweta igo ya kero so anything is possible yendo ngeyo na go se kiama go se kabere listen history ngobere med Ruto neromo ababande bachita ko batebe buna Kibaki na ringo mokonyi bwo murai bwense lakini miaka ya itete kamago chako koba korori uko murai bwense nabono asentunde ntangani sobo chwali bwa itabwa 2022 uyo lengo mokonyi bwo murai bwense muske William Ruto na rwetororo no mokonyi akabo murai bwense so history na beko buno na one Kibaka tabana Jubilee yakoba na beko nyarekana inki egeko gara kurumaiga ya beire monto the moment yo murai yuri kiama kiria rengo buna bono kanu ekero murai bwense rwetororo omukoro muske Daniel Moi na begete Uhuru Kenyatta akero Uhuru Kenyatta babu obochori mo kabikiri bibere na ibere ekiama kiriga chako gwa kiare bya marinde ali Rainbow Coalition gose na kiachete ekaira abantu abangi bikagendera gokugo noti ba pia ni umna chigocha na bire byakwa lakini asebono eyenere ntunde tangani twaro lirenga ekiama gekoerania kuruso murai tro jibona murai Uhuru Kenyatta
okyaera ryo mokonyo
kiaire irio muntondo munga atumeke bune kiama kia ANC ya South Africa kia beiro burai kuruchinga sana chinyinge sana wikaboniga bago choro muntu successfully yoso no chama cha mapinduzi CCM ya Tanzania akaro ki the same way to se ko irengere ngamne yo is equally good murai yorororo ogurumu muntondo kurwa omuchandora abe no orina ki onyo murai yorororo kabwate chinjira chimbe na bakugurumu muntonde obware chinjira chimbe elinda chiko protecti obukumia akakorera serikali lakini ese ko murai yuri orengo no muyare na bakuguru moyonde ingiye ko garo biya bukuguru mu mundo osikore serikali imne ya bono oseri ya edete emiro bili ya maendro nere yare gokora yari ngemia ekara serikali ya hajiche ekakora ki ekanyitigira njira igindi bilioni irenga
ekangeya
bilioni chinyinge cia sarikire lakini kero mukuguru mu mundo nde ocha igakubwatira chi program gusi project irichi atige tunchera ogenderera mpaka full time korori lakini rende nda sande mbiyana ki esekobo murai yoriyo no mobolenge aguru moyo ndo mobe na hindi mwanyorro muchando
ekanondo chetubwate chidaka isatu igatokore mabodi na arege ga papacho ningo kubole omo seneta bwe county ya Kisii na seretingena abarai babo Silvana Sosoro yabo donyonyore nchiri kuliera
jokea mo iga moliro
iganjiri kuliera lakini igorori tukokweiri igoro ngwaro che bonsi barororo mpaka matiangi barege ndororo mpaka bona ase engane kubareta mo Osoro yo na Madonya bagachicha amo asonyonga no maete nchiri kuliera ina nabora ntebinga enkwane ninki koro kiseng ndoche no mutanda ngo trendera abantu bagotebanga they should learn senge nchuna buna mostly buna abagere babere bakurutana amagena maiso marore nonye na matanga mbari kuigwanana ina bogo kwana enganende kero gukwana go gukorera chidaika ngo kwerani ga chidaika isate cyo chikorera
yes
no bwate this endorera yao
ayugo kwana kone riga tali goro ya chagete donya na nonyoro murai bwense na ringi gusi ngwarora donyoro ngwabaro chibale no mugavana omugavana nkora na baringi lisana seliso bakaruterera
nyore ne kambe ya mabagoterera
karaigwa lirio murai bwo obomo bwa gusomurai bwo diema chietense meye chinkwane chiri chiakaruturuko rwase omugavana go chiase serikali ye nchera nitense na era kaira na lakini keromati anyaji go chana inde omugavana bwi county ya Kisii arore kano chire sesemo ya matianyi inde bintumbi amachitiko sale kenjire gana ndegera ire nabona so murai bwense kwaro direnga Osoro Mheshimiwa Osoro Mheshimiwa Donya no mugavana aho bakulire sani yemo
onyonga bono urumuri
bono yaikire omweshimiwa omoseneta na sireti mamu mwabo na inde alisense mu utawala na rucha barai ya banki kuru county ya Kisii ne Nyamira bachi tororo linde ko moengora egento ngire narori bakana Nyachae no yoringe mu commissioner gusomo
chimuna Nyachae
we ekamitiria kaligiria mangana Charles Nyachae elia kaligiria mangana ye katiba nere nare ngoigo naenda akamotogia akamatogio mheshimiwa Matiang'ing'a obekire se yani obekire abagusiamo elinde kuliera kuruge segetegeka monye esani hemo tiango tebiga boni gege tokigerete toliga kiro mundu arigeretie no maito none omheshimiwa sorongo teba aringiga intogendrete kuligereria chigo ikachinga kitiria umutinyu kabere kero kirigendo gikobunwa na riwo cyo komena kiro mundu ngayare ase boniga mapema sana kubuna go break ranks sise songo mna bagoteba kero muntu ni gata gete koraki korarigirene matina bagoteba na gwachire simatiang kabisa emanye go ikari onyore na time matiang yogo choru kwa ba na kiwe no ya nuja seruto
usinyuko ira na seruto
yes bona abana giwa pimete na ki mbosa tuomane no muraifuense na matiang tutageta koraki
na abambara amua bai Kalonzo na Sifuna na kiaroja okora mutika resi ko bono bosa
umuchando bere igo sometimes siasa it's too early to declare inabuwentora atiaiga uraganya kigo ikachinga kicho omanye lakini ende ekerege tukiabire se community yo mugusi bantu tukabacha amo muna bache tamo that was good
engana yayo mwere na ende totebi nkioroche konyakorora tore chibicho mutanda okwana aba ne kiorerieke
okay mwachu murigereria mate yo toga te runo burai no abasae na barai bankyo boni gasende miaka ya nege tukitigate ni chimbo chegocha na etanirio busasi nini
orocha anke yindero
anke ibono nererero ngobono ngunya kurigereri tore asobochorio gogocho mwaka wikiri kwibere na 2022 na ndi torarego sengo so atoregeti tubori abana inchi chukuruma etekira saba na inchi ngiri ondete yobwate kureji muguko ondete yobwate muguko na ndi tete so egeti tubori abana inchi na intwe batoe chinguru batoetie elinde tokore meremo igo aisinguru no thimo kirango ninche nkwane bono biya kabisa elinde wetorole na ki mwaka wikiri wibere na 2022 ego chikonyarikana
biamono
yes
biamono kegima murigere bwenso ko yakuru kwa John Kibatinero nyare ko baga okwereranga na chachiche ngakego ikabuna atebire buna siasa naenda atebire nga kegwikenga kiyo agocha goche ground yaberesenga ninki atagete ninki arore naende ninki arabaretere kero banonde no kwegena nga kwanyarire abirata tayo anyare ko baga gukwira buye gose kwanyare ko bago gwesemya na gwikiraga buno tugukorera umuroberi gwetu rubini yeri tukoria rere kram kuganira ogende gutwara uburigererio buya nabo na kuganirio tware umubasomu ya erietariane Linet Nyambani.
Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.